Good evening, I'm Ankita Singh, and you're watching Channel 6 Network's 9 p.m. bulletin. Here are the top stories making headlines tonight. In our first story, Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav has accused the BJP-led Uttar Pradesh government of hiding the true death toll from the Mahakumbh stampede. Yadav has demanded disciplinary action against officials for their alleged mismanagement during the event, and he has raised concerns over the government's handling of the situation, which claimed at least 30 lives. Moving on to the political landscape, BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has called for privilege proceedings against Congress leader Rahul Gandhi over his alleged false claims regarding the India-China border. Dubey accuses Gandhi of distorting historical facts and ridiculing the country's stance on national security. In response to accusations of bias, the Election Commission has asserted its independence amid ongoing political tensions in Delhi. The Commission rejected Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's criticisms, reaffirming its commitment to conducting fair and transparent elections. Across the globe, the United States has deported 205 Indian nationals, sending a stern warning about illegal immigration. The U.S. Embassy emphasized that illegal migration is not worth the risk, signaling continued collaboration between India and the U.S. to address the growing issue. In sports, tickets for India's matches in the Champions Trophy 2025, including the highly anticipated India vs Pakistan match, sold out within minutes. Fans rushed to secure their seats for this major international cricket event, which promises to be a thrilling spectacle. Staying with cricket, former cricketer Sanjay Manjrekar has urged the BCCI to show patience with Sanju Samson despite his recent struggles in T20As. Manjrekar highlighted Samson's potential for game-changing performances and encouraged the board to give him more opportunities to prove himself. Meanwhile, Ravichandran Ashwin has suggested that Varun Chakravarti could make a late entry into India's Champions Trophy squad. Ashwin believes Chakravarti's impressive T20I performances against England and South Africa could earn him a spot in the squad for the prestigious tournament. In Goa, a German national named Sebastian Hessler has been arrested for possessing drugs worth Rs 23.95 lakh. The drugs included LSD, ketamine, and ganja, and the arrest followed a week-long surveillance operation in North Goa. Mumbai's crime branch has busted a fake call center in Sakinaka, which was selling Viagra and other banned drugs to U.S. citizens. 6 individuals were arrested, and investigations are ongoing into the illicit operations of the call center. Lastly, in Mumbai, citizen groups are battling against harmful projects initiated by the Brihanmumbai Municipal Corporation (BMC). These groups are advocating for community-driven initiatives that prioritize better infrastructure and a healthier environment for locals. They've made significant strides in their efforts, but their struggle continues. That's all for now. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for joining us on Channel 6 Network. Have a great evening.